Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to enable and use Google Chrome's incognito mode. So as we know, we want to browse the web primarily without saving history or cookies. You are in the right place. So let's get started. Open Chrome browser, then open your profile. Then next you have to go to three dots. As you can see here, the three dots in the top right corner. Click on it. Now select new incognito mode, click on it, and you can also use Ctrl Shift plus and. So I will type on your screen so you remember it. uh, just press this key, Ctrl plus Shift plus and after pressing this key you can also use the new incognito window, and uh, your history, cookies and side data won't be saved after you close the window. So whatever you will be browsing, it will be not stored in your Google Chrome history. It's a new dark theme yellow, yeah, you window will appear indicating you are in the incognito mode. You can also use command plus shift plus n to open it. So you can also use Control plus Shift plus N as well as Command plus Shift plus N to open incognito mode. Now how to use incognito mode? For using it, it's perfect for researching without cluttering your browser. You can sign in with multiple accounts. Just go to here, tab and search anything, and your uh, Ghibli, and nothing will be stored in your history. You can also sign in with different account, and any website or cookies will be not storing your website browsing history, and that's it. Now to close, simply go to X and it will be closed. And that's it guys. Now you know how to use incognito mode, and try it out and let me know in the comments how you use it. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.